we know that the air around us is filled with oxygen, nitrogen, traces of other gases. And we know that the physical body must have these gases. But we also know something else. We know that in the gases, actually contained in the gases themselves, in the molecules of the oxygen and nitrogen, which constitute the air we breathe, there is a universal life force. We know that you can take this universal life force into yourself in 3 different ways. 1, by eating, secondly, by drinking, and third and most important, by breathing. You can go without food for a couple of weeks and still live. You can go without drinking liquid for several days and still live, but you cannot go without breathing for more than a few seconds and still live. So therefore, of the 3 ways of taking energy into our body, breathing is by far the most important way. And we do take in probably more universal life force through breathing than we do through eating or drinking liquids.